Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best AirPods Pro case is probably one of the most essential accessories for any man who values both style and functionality for his Apple AirPods Pro, offering a blend of robust protection against drops, scratches, and everyday wear and tear, while simultaneously elevating the aesthetic appeal of his tech gear, ensuring that his valuable earbuds remain secure and looking sharp whether he's on the go, at the gym, or in a professional setting, making it a crucial investment for maintaining the pristine condition and sophisticated look of his audio companions. Number 5. AirPods Pro 2 Case with Cleaning Kit. Introducing the perfect protective case for your AirPods Pro. Designed for both second and first generations, it offers a snug and secure fit. Crafted from high-quality, soft-touch silicone, this case provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. It's durable, shock-resistant, and easy to clean. Keep your charging port pristine with the built-in dust plug. The one-piece structure ensures the top won't fall off, and all ports remain accessible. Enjoy the convenience of charging without removing the case. It seamlessly supports both wired and wireless charging options. Maintain your earbuds with the included care tool. This kit features a brush, fine tip, and sponge to keep every part spotless. A keychain is included for easy carrying, so you won't lose them. Plus, we offer 24-hour support for any issues you may have. What we like. This case offers a comfortable, non-slip grip with its premium silicone material. It also includes a handy 3-in-1 cleaning kit to keep your earbuds spotless. If you prioritize a soft feel and easy maintenance for your AirPods Pro, this is a great choice. What people say. The case is designed to be durable and protect the AirPods Pro from drops and scratches. It features a secure magnetic closure that keeps the AirPods Pro firmly in place. The case also supports wireless charging, allowing for convenient power-ups without removing the AirPods Pro. Number 4. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with Lock. Introducing the MOBOSI case, designed for your AirPods Pro second and first generation. It offers robust protection and convenient features for everyday use. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. This case features a secure locking mechanism that keeps it firmly shut, even if dropped. Constructed with military-grade resistant PC material, it provides full protection against scratches, bumps, and drops. The upgraded design ensures both covers stay connected and sealed. Enjoy hassle-free charging. It's compatible with Qi-certified wireless charging and wired charging without needing to remove the case. The LED indicator light remains visible. This multifunctional case comes with a cleaning kit and a portable keychain for easy carrying. It's durable, convenient, and designed to meet all your needs. Your purchase includes a protective case, a carabiner, a cleaning kit, and a removal tool. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. Engineered with military-grade resistant PC material, this case provides robust protection against drops and scratches. Its secure locking mechanism ensures your AirPods Pro stay put, even when dropped. If you need maximum security and durability for your AirPods Pro, this is the one to consider. What people say. The case is designed to be durable and protect the AirPods Pro from scratches and minor drops. It features a secure magnetic closure that keeps the AirPods Pro firmly in place. The case also supports wireless charging, allowing for convenient power-ups without removing the AirPods Pro. Number 3. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with MagSafe. Introducing the MOBOSI case, designed specifically for your AirPods Pro second and first generation. It offers robust protection against everyday wear and tear. This case features a dual-layer design with shock-absorbent corners. It provides military-grade protection to keep your charging case safe from drops and scratches. Never worry about your AirPods falling out again. The secure magnetic lock and spring-loaded lid ensure your earbud stays safely enclosed. This isn't just a case, it's a complete solution. It comes with a cleaning tool and a detachable keychain for ultimate portability and easy maintenance. Enjoy seamless charging without removing the case. It fully supports Qi-certified wireless charging and wired charging options. We stand by our product with a 12-month quality promise. Any issues with manufacturing defects will be resolved promptly for your peace of mind. What we like. Featuring a dual-layer defense with a rugged hard shell and shock-absorbing corners, this case offers military-grade drop protection. The secure magnetic locking system keeps the lid firmly sealed. If you're looking for superior shock absorption and a secure closure for your AirPods Pro, this case is ideal. What people say. The case is designed to be durable and protect the AirPods Pro from scratches and drops. It features a secure magnetic closure that keeps the AirPods Pro firmly in place. The case also supports wireless charging, allowing for convenient power-ups without removing the AirPods Pro. Number 2. Olytop Rugged Locking Case for AirPods Pro. Never worry about losing your earbuds again. This case features a secure locking lid that opens with a single click. It also includes a convenient carabiner clip for easy carrying. Protect your charging case from drops, scratches, and scrapes. Made with rugged TPU material and a secure lock, it keeps your device in like-new condition. The one-click open button ensures your case stays locked. Enjoy hassle-free wired or wireless charging without needing to remove the cover. Easily access the pairing button on the back without removing the charging case. The front LED indicator remains visible. This Armor Series case provides full-body protection, precisely designed for your Apple AirPods Pro charging case. It comes with the case, spare adhesive tape, and a carabiner clip. What we like. This case boasts a rugged TPU material with a secure locking lid that opens with a single click. It also provides easy access to the reset button without removing the case. If you value a robust build and convenient access to all functions, including pairing, this is a strong contender. What people say. The case is designed to be durable and protect the AirPods Pro from drops and scratches. It features a secure magnetic closure that keeps the AirPods Pro firmly in place. The case also supports wireless charging, allowing for convenient power-ups without removing the AirPods Pro. Number 1. Ljusmicker AirPods Pro Case with Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Ljusmicker case for your AirPods Pro. It offers comprehensive protection for both the second and first generations, ensuring your device stays safe. This case is precisely designed to fit your AirPods Pro charging case. The front LED indicator remains visible, so you always know when it's charging. Keep your earbuds pristine with the included 3-in-1 cleaning pen. It effectively removes dust and dirt, maintaining that like-new quality. Crafted from premium silicone, this one-piece design provides shockproof protection against drops and scratches. The bottom dust plug also keeps the charging port clean. Enjoy hassle-free charging. This case supports both wired and wireless charging without needing to be removed, offering ultimate convenience. Never lose your AirPods Pro again. The package includes an anti-lost keychain, allowing you to easily attach it to your bag or keys. What we like. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly silicone, this case offers 360-degree protection without adding bulk. Its one-piece design prevents the lid from detaching, and it comes with a useful cleaning pen. If you prefer a sleek, protective silicone case with added cleaning functionality, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The case is designed to be durable and protect the AirPods Pro from scratches and drops. It features a secure magnetic closure that keeps the AirPods Pro firmly in place. The case also supports wireless charging, allowing for convenient power-ups without removing the AirPods Pro. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.